Happy Friday, everyone, from Be Intuitive Metaphysical Store and Healing Center. Just in our 2022 Astrological Llewellyn's calendar, and also our 2022 Llewellyn's Witches calendar. Just in stock in the store. We have limited quantities available, guys. These usually don't last long. Give you a look at the back here of what Llewellyn's looks like. This is one of the most popular calendars ever. As you can see, I'll give you a little close-up here. It has a lot of information in regards to the planets, monthly horoscopes, travel forecasts, introductions to astrology. It'll have the best days for planting and fishing, major daily aspects, monthly ephemerises, and also the retrogrades, Mercury, Venus, and Mars on the Witches calendar for 2022. You can take a look at the back of this one as well. This one is a little bit different. This one has more like magical wisdom, spells, rituals, planting and harvesting dates as well. Both available now at Be Intuitive, guys. Stop on in and get yours.